The site here in Nambour came up for a formal tender, and we were successful. There was several meetings with the council who, to their credit, were very much about jobs in the region, what we were going to do for the town, what we were going to do with the site, not just the winning bid or the highest price, it was also about jobs for the region, and I commend the council for that approach. The Sunshine Coast, and in particular Nambour and the hinterland, is a real hub for tradespeople and skilled workers. So we're really hoping to tap into those people and build a workforce that's predominantly local. We're looking forward to head office also relocating to Nambour, and that'll include our senior management, our tenders team, engineering and human resources. So it's over 11 acres of land here and 7,000 metres of under roof workshop and office space. So it's a massive facility. This facility brings a massive amount of capability and capacity to the business in that it brings a lot of the workshop scope that is currently being outsourced. We can bring in-house, take control of the quality, the timing, and give us a lot more end-to-end for the business. We've purchased a new Kenworth truck and a new float, and that'll be based here in Nambour in the workshop, and that'll do a stellar job of moving those parts and freight around to our different sites. The facility puts us in a position to offer parts and component services to the broader mining industry. Being located halfway between the Bowen Basin and the Hunter Valley, it will be able to service both of those areas as well. So the future plans for the facility are to hopefully get up to 150 employees, have a facility that services all of our components and parts. They'll all be stored under roof in an area that's growing and is good for a lot of our employees to be based.